Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. My son is currently in the first year of secondary school, and one of the lovely things he's doing at his school is learning how to cook. He came home the other day quite excited because in one of his lessons he'd learned how to make homemade pesto, which he'd then cooked with pasta and eaten. I told him that when I was at school things were very different. This is quite a new development, the kind of thing that he's now engaged in. And that when I was at school there was a lot more gender segregation. Boys were basically forced to do metalwork and woodwork, and girls were forced to do what was called home economics. Basically, the whole school system back in the 80s was geared towards pushing young women into domestic roles. If you say that a system is geared towards doing something, you mean it's designed or it's organised in a way that encourages this thing to happen. So you might say, for example, that a lot of public places aren't geared to the needs of people with disabilities. There aren't enough wheelchair ramps, for example, that kind of thing. Maybe some of you have seen this viral video that's been doing the rounds of two Scottish guys who get in a lift that doesn't have buttons but that works using voice recognition. And the whole system is geared towards so-called standard pronunciation. And so, predictably and to comic effect, it doesn't recognise what the Scottish guys are telling it. Maybe when you're selling a course or applying for a course, you might see or you might say that the course is geared towards the specific needs of participants. And rather worryingly for Ukraine and for the rest of us in Europe, it's very obvious that now the whole of the Russian economy is increasingly geared towards the needs of the army. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you're going to use geared towards.